Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study English literature, a new chapter, Fire, Friend and Foe. So let us learn first of all what is fire. The fire is the result of chemical reaction. When air combines with carbon and hydrogen in a fuel, a chemical reaction takes place. Energy in the form of heat and light is released in the process. This is what we call fire. Now, there are several things which are needed to make fire. So, basically, we need mainly three things to make fire. One is fuel. Fuel like coal, wood, leaf, petrol, paper. Second is oxygen. Oxygen which is present in the air. As we know that air is a constituent of several gases. And third one is heat, like a lighted matchstick. Now we know that fuel and oxygen do not make fire by themselves, or else a newspaper or matchstick lying in the open would catch fire on its own. To burn a piece of paper or wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Yes, so the temperature at which a fuel begins to burn is called flash point or the kindling temperature of the fuel. Now we learn fire as a friend. How fire is a friend. So fire is our friend because we use fire to cook our food, keep ourselves warm in winter, and save our life from the wild animals. In the sense, we can say it is our friend till the time it is under control. Fire as a foe, that is fire as an enemy. So it is our enemy because it damages thousands of houses and shops. It also causes damage to vast areas of forests and even kills hundreds of people. Okay? Now there are certain ways by which we can cut off fire. Yes? So the first one is to take out the fuel. In the sense, if fire has no fuel to feed on, no burning can take place. Yes? Second is to remove the heat. That is, if the temperature can be brought down below the flash point, the fuel stops burning. Yes? And the third one is to prevent oxygen from reaching the fuel, which means if no supply of oxygen, then there is no fire. As we know, oxygen supports combustion. Yes? Now there are times when water is sprayed on fire to put it out, but some fires cannot be put out with water, like fire caused by electricity, as one may get electric shock, or fire which is caused by oil or petrol, as the oil will float to the top of water and continue to burn. This can be dangerous because water can flow quickly, carrying the burning oil and spreading the fire. Yes, so in such cases, we use carbon dioxide extinguisher. Okay, now to control this fire, to help out this fire, we have firefighters. These people are highly trained person. Yes, they possess many skills. They perfectly know the ways to prevent fire. They cut off electricity supply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. They are also trained in first aid so that they can help people suffering from burns or from the effects of smoke. Okay? So, lastly, we can conclude that the discovery of fire and its uses helped the early man to cope with nature better and gradually adopt a settled mode of life. Fire is indeed a threat once it gets out of control. Okay? Thank you.